soft now for rumor street. Them stress them DF, they are road and cheat. But your man him come home, never own a shit.
So girl, what you have for your own coats and singers sprawl out in your home. Bag of dirty clothes, you know have a load up. Place ever clean with the Fabrice aroma. Take a selfie, flash by your phone. Photogenic and your credit no digital loan. Excitement now live like no loner. Subjects and diploma.
You work hard, girl, when you have a for your own. You don't catch a people yard, hell no. Hot like fire, have the gas in your stove. Proud of yourself, just make them know. You have your own place with your own.
Yes, my people, you don't know Uncle Jama. Hotter than 10 summer. Right now we're gonna try and reach our artist. His name Caldino. Big artist from down in Jamaica right now, yeah? Let's see if we can reach him right now. Let's see if we can make a call and see what's going on. Boom.
Greetings.
Yo, Caldino, what going on? Uncle Jama, UK.
Yeah, what going on, Uncle Jama?
Yes, my brother.
There, man, there, go and hold it off your seat.
Trust me. Alright, brother. Listen, no time for waste, yeah? Straight in, brother. So, Caldino, let the people them know where you get that name from.
Well, practically, me's an artist from a tender years, you know, you see me?
Yeah.
And me born with music in my blood, you see me? Because when I just record my first song, I was a kid. So, you know, at the time, them called me Little Star, you know, so over the years, you know, become a big man now, you see me I say? So we have to let go the little thing.
Yeah, bigger star.
It's more serious, you know, them time that we have to do it for the fun, you see me I say, and take the thing more professional now, you see me? So, we get introduced to a producer and him say, yo, the name they now go work for that juggling that when me are dropping, you know, not deal with that right, so, you know, so. You know, him suggest the name Caldino to me. I mean, you know, me tweak it, because he did spell it in multiple ways to me, and me just put it to the way how me like it, and, you know, work with it that way there.
Yeah.
So Caldino is where it resulting, and, you know, we are pushed from this until now.
Straight.
Yeah, man.
So which part of Jamaica you representing right now, Caldino?
Kingston 20, you know.
Straight,
yeah? Man,
yeah?
Kingston 20 over there.
Straight. Alright, brother, so starting your musical career now, yeah? At what age did you start doing music, Caldino?
Well, we start the music from the age of 13, you know. You know, but we take it more professional and more serious, you know.
Yeah.
When we left high school and, you know. Yeah.
And what was the response? What was the response like at 13? What, did you make a tune or did you go up on stage? What did you do?
Well, what really go on still is a thing that keep in the community, and I tell you, say, me get some love I never expect, you know what I mean? Because I just didn't do it and never know what me I do at the time, you see me?
Yeah.
Just go in a studio and voice song, write rhythm, and do road, you see me? So when the song play at the event the night, then pull up the song 13 times.
Wow.
And that contributes to why Caldino still do music today, you know what I mean?
13 times.
Yeah, man, 13 times. The love, you know, everybody in the community. I say, yo, him do the song. Yo, John, what look at you there? But, yes, man.
Alright, so, you see, like, alright, everybody knows about living in the ghetto and what it's like, and, yeah? But on a positive now, brother, yeah? You see when you do something good for your people and something good in the community, yeah? How does it feel to hear people bigging you up and showing you X amount of respect because you done something good? How does that feel?
Trust me, it's a wonderful feeling, you know, and from there, so I look on the bigger picture and know that there's more to come, you know, instead of impacting a community, you impact the whole country until you impact the whole world, you know what I mean? And you have to just feed the universe with positive vibes, you know, and that is why I put the positive message and energy in the song, you know? Yeah, man.
Of course. Alright, so we have to big up the big man in our Pretty Shoes, you know? Yeah?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, man, big up Pretty Shoes, you don't know. general that, you know, my artist that, you know.
Straight.
Caldino represent always, you see.
Yeah, man, cause him give it the link to you, so big him up same time, pretty shows every time.
Man, definitely, man. I want to tell you, man, pretty sure. The baddest thing, man. All the way I come take over this, you know.
I mean, how did you get the link with Pretty Shoe?
You know, say, what really go on till it was an event. We did that going on. We never know Pretty Shoe at the time, you know, but my brethren did introduce me to him, you know.
Yeah.
And Pretty Shoe was the person, you know, making the move, so we did have to chat with him. So from this the linkage make and, you know, realize that we have the same passion for the music and, you know, put in some work together, you see it. You can even look out for the collab soon, because I know say that I got up me in the near future, you see it.
That's what I was just gonna ask for, you know. So yeah, look out for that, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so are you coming from a musical family?
Not really, you know. You see me I say, but I've been exposed to music. Like my father loved music. He wasn't a part of the industry side, but he's a man who loved music, so him always a play him record, him and him cassette, and you know, I am the one who is always, you know, doing the damage with the cassettes, because I discovered how to record myself on the tape, the radio, the stereo, so
Yeah.
me as a person now when it comes to Bam and take out the cassette and just hear about myself, put in the cassette. My business what up on the cassette, my father buy him good album them. You know, but never really I think about that, but just start record myself and overwrite. Cause you know you can overwrite data on a cassette them days there.
Of course, you just press.
You don't know.
Yeah.
We just press record and start DJ my thing and this is what a few couple times when him start when him at work, him listen to him album them on him cassette and him just hear him chip in a DJ my thing and him wonder wait now what go on album play.
Big.
Yeah, man.
Alright, brother, so can you tell us who was your favorite artist, yeah? Some of your favorite artists, yeah? And why?
Well, if you look up to the foundation, you know, the roots, you know. The man them I make this possible, the man them start this, as them big up all of the foundation artists, them, you see me I say?
Yeah.
But for now, don't know feature next of my artists, Pretty Sure my artists, Diversity of my artists, you see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that are the circle, One Way Records, the whole team. Yeah, man, straight up. Caldino are my favorite artist as well. You see me?
Caldino.
Straight up. Yeah, man.
I mean, man. I mean that.
And big up the whole of my artist friend, them, you see me I say? Big up the whole Warfare crew, you see me I say?
Yeah.
Big up Maestro Dan, you see me I say? Yeah, man.
Straight
up.
Alright, so where do you see yourself in the next 5 years from now, Caldino?
You see where I see myself in the next 5 years? To answer a question like this, you know, nobody knows what the future holds. You see me I say? But me I hope for the best and I prepare for the worst at the same time, you see me?
Yeah.
And I put in the work.
Yeah.
And when you prepare for the worst, you know, you go overcome it and still achieve the goal, you see me I say?
Yeah.
Mentally and physically I prepare for what's to come, because the more work you put in, the more growth, the harder it gets, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, straight up. So at the forefront of dancehall, we are forefront of music, and to be out there.
Trust me. What's the message to the youth then?
Well, the message to the youths, them, you know, is to stay positive, you know. Lower the crime and the violence thing, you don't know, try to better yourself, elevate yourself, no matter where you're from. Whether the garrison or the uptown, don't know anywhere. You know, just don't make nobody tell you if you run your own show and just focus on the money, you see me I say? And a better future for yourself, straight.
Alright, and what kind of people them expect the next time they see you on a stage or they hear your next record coming out?
Repeat that.
What kind of people them expect from you the next time they see you on a stage or when they next hear your next record?
They can expect quality music, you know.
Yeah.
You know, music with substance, you know, music that will last. Not music for 5 minutes or a few months, you know, music that will live on.
That's right.
You know what I mean? But we try to do our best. We don't really just jump up and write song and voice song and put out song. You know, you have to have quality control. You know, you have to have all of these things put in place. You have to have a plan, and you just keep moving. Grow while you go.
I hear that. I respect that. So hold on,
Yeah.
Carlino, yeah? So Carlino, do you have a manager at the moment?
No, we don't. I don't have a manager at the moment. You know, we're putting in teamwork and working together and helping ourselves. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Well, I have to salute you, brother, because you see the quality that you're pushing out, bruv, and the type of music, yeah, the genre, the style and the genre and everything, bruv. You're doing very well for a man who's doing it on his own. You're doing it very, very well, bruv.
Respect. I'm not really doing it on my own still. You know, we're doing it as a team effort, you know, a team movement. So no man is an island, you know. You see me I say?
Yeah.
So the whole team I move together, you know.
Yeah. Well, as a team, a round of applause. You get me, brother? Cause you know I'm going good. No, I'm going good. All right. So Caldino, what do you want the fans to know about you right now?
What I want the fans to know is Caldino will never disappoint or let you down. You know, I'm not gonna be one of those artists where release a song and you say, John O. Caldino, that could have stayed in the studio, you know. And for the flip side, you know, the fans, you know, can always support the music because the product are for good for people buy it, you know. You see me I say?
Mm-hmm.
So we are gonna definitely provide that quality here. I say we because me I talk on behalf of me and the team.
Yes.
I mean, I left out the team. You
Yes.
see me I say?
Yes.
Straight up, so. Yeah, man, definitely, that's what it is.
Yeah, man. Teamwork make the dream work.
Right.
See it there.
And you see that team, yeah? It's spelled T-E-A-M. No I, no D, no O team.
Straight.
Straight.
All right, now, Caldino. Check this question now, right? Me not talk about your team now. Me I talk about you individually, yeah?
Right.
No team involved. You have to answer this. No team, right?
Yeah.
If you was gonna put together a collaboration, yeah, of artists, and it can be 3 artists, right?
Yeah.
Dead or alive. Who would those 3 artists be and why?
Alright, so if I'm gonna put 3 artists on a collab, individual collabs, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know, so I never met that yet, to be honest. Because sometimes collabs happen in the weirdest way. Sometimes it happen for their studio and an artist a voice and record a punchline and you realize you can, you know, execute a perfect verse for this song with the artist a record and you know you ask for a spot on the track and it happen.
Mm-hmm.
Also you can be approached by an artist. You know, and him show you where my deal with. And then the work from there, so you know what I mean. But personally, from my end, I never really think about approaching the artist for a collab. You know, I always allow them things there to happen naturally. So if the time should come for me approach an artist, the artist is either we have to be in the same environment to make that possible.
Yeah, no. Listen. I'm saying in your mind.
Mm-hmm.
Me not saying a real life. Me I say in your mind, yeah.
Yeah.
If you was to think in your mind, yeah.
Yeah.
Who would you in your mind if right now you was given the opportunity to do a collab with 3 artists, yeah?
Yeah.
Dead or alive, in your mind, who would you pick and why would you pick them?
Okay, so I don't have 3 artists in mind now, but I would say Chronixx, you know, based off the type of content that he release, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I would do a collab with Chronixx as an artist out here. Is it what I say?
You rate him, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Ratings to every artist in the industry, man. Straight up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right. So what's your newest project right now, music wise?
Well, right now we're working on some new singles, you know, produced by One Way Records, you know. You see me I say?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. We are gonna work. We have put out an EP. I'm working on an EP with ARM Music, you know, and we're just working on putting out some singles with any producers that approach us with beats and so forth, and producers in the link outside of the link, you know. Yeah, straight.
Did you at any time in your life, Caldino, did you ever study music or it just come naturally?
It came naturally, you know, because before we even had the proper equipment and so forth, we used to use I used to use the things that are around me. I use my bathroom, make rhythm and just record it on my phone, turn on the shower, lock it up, turn on the Facebook, is in the deal, it not the side of the bath.
Yeah.
And all of that something there. So I started trying to be creative with whatever that was there.
Yeah.
You know, and my father do grill work. So him have a couple of steel around the back and you know, turn the garbage pan and it empty upside down and use the barrel top as crash. Drum set that we are knock around there.
Yeah.
Whatever we have at your hands to make music, you know. So that are that is exactly what it is.
Alright, like that. So
yeah, man.
what would you say is the ups and downs for being an artist?
Alright, you see the ups and downs is the promotional aspect, you know, the promotional side of things, you know. Getting the music done was never a problem for me, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And the promotional aspect was what really gives the challenge, makes the challenge even rougher, you know, because not everybody is going to like your music, no matter who you are, you know what I mean. I've been on 1,000 or more platforms for art that establish superstars is on, you know, and you realize that people dislike them music. You know, if you go up on YouTube right now, go look for Michael Jackson song, you see thousands of dislikes, and you say, what? How do them people here? What them a prefer dislike this? So it all boils down to people liking you. It doesn't necessarily have to be a music, you know. It can be something more personal, you know. It can be things that surrounds your name, you know, your reputation.
Of course.
That carries the music, you know.
Of
To a
course.
level. Yeah, man.
Of course. Big. Alright, last few questions now, brother.
Yeah, man.
How can the fans get hold of you?
Well, they can reach out to me at Caldino on Instagram, CALDHINO, you know, and CaldinoWorld@gmail.com is the email address. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Facebook, just type in Caldino in Google and everything will come up.
Yes, sir. Alright.
Yeah.
Any last big ups or shout outs?
Well, big up everybody, you know, big up the whole world, you know what I mean? Because if I start big up one person, I miss out that name, trouble today. You know what I'm saying? So,
Yeah.
What I wrote there right now. So I big up everybody. Big up Uncle Drummer for this interview, you know what I mean? For the opportunity. Yeah, big up everybody who tune in. Don't know, support the thing. Yeah, man, one love.
Yeah, man. I want to say, Caldino, in closing, brother. Brother, you sent me some dub plates and some tunes and them thing there, bruv. And you are definitely a top striker, bruv. Yeah? No gas
Yeah,
stick.
man.
There's no gas on that, bruv. You are definitely top striking, bruv. You can tell that you, Pretty Shoes and all them come from one team. Because it's bare
Right.
top striking. You get me, brother?
Right.
So,
right.
you know, I can't see the future, yeah, but I can say that I can see a person like you staying on the music and getting to the top.
Yeah, man, definitely the love will carry us there. The love for music will definitely take us through.
I can see you at the top, bruv. With the quality and everything, the star quality that you're bringing and everything, bruv, I can see you at the top, bruv. And it ain't going to be hard. It's just going to be, it's about persistence, isn't it? Just staying persistent.
Definitely, because we're not saying foolishness, you know. You see it.
See it there, sir, brother. So right now, Caldino, I want to say, brother, enough blessings and enough thanks to you, my brother.
Yeah, man, guidance and protection, you know, Uncle Drummer.
Yes.
Hold them off with the juggling them over there, you know.
Definitely, fam, yeah?
Alright.
Enough respect and enough love, brother.
Yeah, man.
Blessed King.
Him come home that a ownership.
Monday to Saturday, never look bashy, yeah. You chew your partner, pay your bills, money no dashy, yeah. Look good, clean, hygiene, never trashy, yeah. Praying for the seniority, never happy, yeah. And me, I tell you, honey, your future bright and sunny. Oh, you look so good, you know, for sure you get it from your mommy. I know nothing funny, me take you from your hobby. If you never itch the gear,